what's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. As you guys can see, laundry tub plugged up. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to be cutting the vent here and snaking it down, and it will clear the sink. What we like to do is take our coupling, just kind of fish it over the downpipe, or it can go on the up, the drain, the vent going up. Regardless, just to kind of get the one side out of the way. So as you guys can see, the water's still backing up there. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M12 with the 5/16 cable with inner core with the bulb head. You guys can actually see the water's draining already. So, not really going to get a whirlpool out of that. So, we're going to go pull the cable. We're going to finish putting the cable in because we're only in a couple feet below the floor. The issue always just seems to be, you got the vent pipe coming down, then you got the main stack for the kitchen coming down. They tie in right here, and that's where the problem 90% of the time seems to be. So we're keeping the water on, hot water, to basically break down the grease and push it out. So this is a 35 foot cable. It's got a little dimple here that tells me I'm at the end of the cable. As you guys can see, it looks to be about 3 feet from the end of the cable. See that? It's kind of a little bit bigger there. And the reason they have that is when the machine is locked, it won't allow it to come out past that point. got a little bit of debris there. Not much, but so we are going to tighten up this coupling. Everything's running good there. Alright, now we're going to talk about everything I used today. So, I'm recording on a Sony ZV-1 camera. I have a lamp, or a light by Ulanzi. It's just a square light and it's charged by USB. I also have the DJI wireless mic and receiver that hooks up to the camera itself. My light that I was using on my head is an O-light. This is a Warrior Mini 2. Okay. Bosch, 18 volts. Right. It's a little worn out now. It's almost time for a replacement. Might go with the Milwaukee, not sure yet. Milwaukee hacksaw. If I can give you guys any pointers, go with the M18, not the M12. The M18's got a lot more power, and I find that it's the M12 for very minor things, but the M18's the way to go. This is the Milwaukee M12 hand snake, drill snake, whatever you want to call it. Again, I would go with the M18 being closed barrel. You guys seen me use it on my channel before. When this dies, I'm getting another M18. Grease Monkey gloves by Watson gloves. These are the yellow hand job gloves. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And let me know what you thought about the video. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Trogna.